This is a Yamaha RX-V870 receiver. As you can see that the light has burnt out, and I'm using an LED bulb with a resistor so it doesn't burn it out. But the screen is kind of gimped up. Looks like one of the solder joints on the display has gone wrong, so I have to fix it. Take it apart and fix it. So you can see just tapping it fixes it, but I'll have to fix it, taking all the stuff apart. Okay. Inside, as you can see, there's clips on it. It just clips in there. So now I got to take it out and fix the solder joints on it. Okay, it's out, and as you can see, you can tell on the picture here that the ones that are causing the problem are the ones that have got a slight discoloration in them. And let's see if I can. And they'd be right there. There's two right there. I gotta fix. Okay. Okay, at the back end fixed and back end. So let's see. It works good. There's the rest of it. If you want to take a look.